Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, Janie Human.
Ride the magical,
man.
incredible, fantastical.
I think we're ready to go. Hello, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Columbia, Maryland, and we're about to visit a young author by the name of Arnav. This is his book called How Mustard the Dog Became President, illustrated by Emma Martin. Oh, I think that's him. Hey, Arnav,
Hey.
come on in. Welcome to the Very Airy Library. Man, so glad you're here. Do you mind telling our fellow story explorers out there a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Arnav. I'm 10 years old, and in my free time, I love to play video games.
Oh, what's your favorite system, Xbox or PlayStation?
I love Xbox.
Let's go, I love Xbox too. Awesome. What's your favorite video game, Arnav?
I like Fortnite.
Oh, my nephew loves Fortnite
Yeah.
too, yeah. But you know, this show is all about books.
Yeah.
So I wanna know, what is your favorite book?
So my favorite book is a middle school book called Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and the main character in it is Greg Heffley.
Okay, so you're just preparing yourself for middle school. So you're
Yeah.
reading those books to learn all about middle school for when you get there.
Yeah.
Awesome. So Arnav, let me tell you what we're gonna do today.
Okay.
We're gonna do 3 things. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna play an icebreaker game. How does that sound?
Yeah, I like.
Good. Second thing, I wanna learn a little bit more about your book. And then the third thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put your book into the eternal library.
That sounds good.
Is it me, guys, or is it getting cold in here? It's time to break the ice. All right, Arnav, it's time to spin the wheel of silliness. Remember, whatever it lands on, you have to do.
All right, Arnav, are you ready to spin?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. Uh-oh, what will it be? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, describe the last time you laughed really, really hard.
When I got my book, and it was like I had the illustrations. When I opened it and I looked at the pictures with mustard in it, they were like really funny. So like, I laughed a lot.
So did you think the illustrator did a good job of?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think Mustard's gonna think of his illustrations? Is he gonna laugh really hard too?
Yeah.
Oh, now that's bonkers. What a world it would be if dogs could talk. You can imagine the things they would say. Hey, human, I need to eat. Hey, human, I need to poop. Hey, human, I need to eat again. Dogs.
That sounds like you.
Wait, am I a talking dog?
Oh, Daknee, can we move on to some actual questions about the book? Arnav, I wonder if you could tell us a little bit about your book.
So my book is about my dog and how he's a leader. So he wants to become president of the dogs. And so he comes to me for ideas, and I'm a YouTuber. So I stream some ideas for him to get more votes. But most of the ideas actually don't work. But he like persevered and he kept his head up. And in the end, he still had the most votes because of his speech and how he showed that he's dedicated.
And where did this idea come from?
Well, so at the time we were moving to Washington, D.C., and that's where the president lives. And Mustard, he's like a president because he's in charge of everything. So if you put the two things together, then that's how I came up with the idea.
I love it. Maybe he will run for president in real life one day.
Yeah.
Oh, what inspiration. I love how you combine the two ideas.
Speaking of combining two ideas, Daknee,
Yes.
those pickled chocolate chip cookies are a revelation. You know, such an unexpected flavor.
And they're delicious, aren't they, Philo?
No, actually, they are terrible.
In the best way.
Hey, Arnold. Sorry it took me so long to get here, but I had to bury those cookies deep in the forest to escape the smell. Tell me, what was your favorite part of the writing process?
My favorite part about making the book was describing Mustard's personality, because he is very unique and his personality makes him special.
Oh, I know a thing or two about some unique personalities.
Hello.
What was the most challenging part of writing your book?
Probably thinking of the idea, because I was doing like a lot of schoolwork, so it was like really hard to think.
Thinking can be very complicated. Daknee, wouldn't you agree?
Thinking is delicious. Huh? Oh, my brain must have had those pickled chocolate chip cookies on it.
Speaking of which, I need to cleanse my palate with some snickerdoodle poodle-shaped cookies. All this dog talk has canine on my brain.
Bye, Philo.
All right, Arnav, do you mind leaving our fellow story explorers with one last word of encouragement?
Yeah, so if you fail once, keep your chin up and try again until you succeed.
Arnav, that is so important, because in life, we're all gonna fall down, but it's so important that we pick our chin up, get up, and try again until we succeed. Are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
It's cool, right?
Process complete.
All right, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Remember to always be kind and never judge a book
Or a person.
by their cover. See you next time. Hey man, where'd you get that shirt?
My mom got it for me.
Oh, you think she'll get me one?
Maybe.
The book, How Mustard the Dog Became President, is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.